Morning guys, this is Bill with Turning Over New Leaf Lawn Care, and this is my 2022 lawn mowing setup. The middle of last year I just bought this 2004 GMC Savannah box truck. It was a used Penske truck, and I had Lenny's window tints do the tint on the windows for me, keep it a little cool in the summertime. And then my wrap, I had Mike at Impressive Signs here in York. Him and his design team came up with this nice wrap for me, and they took my business name and took a nice little green leaf and folded it over and tried to just keep it simple. That way, driving down the street, people will just see my name, and my telephone number is real big, and of course the social media logos there, so you can find me on Facebook, Instagram, Google, and the Nextdoor app. And yeah, so I painted the rims. They were ugly white, and I spray painted them with some Rust-Oleum paint and got them nice and shined up and cleaned up. And going here to the back, I had Jason Barnett. He's a welder, fabricator. He built these fold down ramps for me. I showed him what I wanted and what I was looking for, and he came up with it and built them and installed them and painted them for me. So I was looking online and checking out other ramps that you could purchase online, but he came up with these and did a great job, and it works. It holds my equipment. Over here's the other side of the box truck. Got the logo over there, telephone number. So I didn't do a logo on the back just because the ramps are up there and I didn't think you could really see it too good. I don't know, that might change, but looking at it here, it's pretty dark there with the wire mesh. I don't know if you'd really see the logo. Anyway, usually during the day when I'm mowing, I just drive around with the back door open anyway. So yeah, that's my box truck. Carries all my mowing equipment, and I will show you what I got in the truck. And if you got any questions, please leave a comment. Please like and subscribe. And I'm gonna show you my money makers. I'm running with the Ferris Vanguard Z2 52-inch and a Ferris Z3X 61-inch with a 37 horsepower Vanguard EFI, along with the oil guard system. And I'm starting the season out with 600 hours, and the Z2 has 856 hours. I bought the Z2 new in 2017. It's been a great mower. I constantly get it serviced at my dealer, Wertz's, down in Glen Rock. They've been around since 1910. A great dealer, and they take care of me. So they take care of that machine and this machine, and best dealer in York County. So I run the grass flaps with the foot pedal on the platform. I like that. That way it keeps my hands free, and all I gotta do is hit that pedal and opens and closes the grass flap for me. So you can close it or open it. So Ferris is a great mower. I love the suspension system, and stripes really nice, cuts really well, and a couple years ago, I don't remember when I did it, but I added the Toro. These are a Toro part, actually, trash bag kit. Got it for like $50 at a local Toro dealer here. It goes to the Toro grandstands, but I bought it and mounted it on here. Works nice. Always find trash and debris, and I can just toss it right in there and keep mowing. So the Z3's got the articulating front end. That's a really nice feature. But yeah, the Vanguard engines have been great. Ferris is great. Just so comfortable running these machines all day. So I've been debating if I want to get a Z1 36-inch for some small areas, but I don't typically have those types of yards. It's usually a little bit bigger, or some fences I can get in with the 52. It all depends on what the customers have as far as a gate option, but I was thinking that way I can have a Z1, a Z2, and a Z3, but we'll see. I'll keep you posted if I purchase another one this year or towards the end of the season. But they're my two money makers, and they're awesome mowers. I love the stand-on mowers. Used to operate a sit-down mower, and just felt a little safer on the stand-on mowers in there. I feel they're quicker and they can get in and out, and you can put a little bit more in on the trailer, on the box truck, whatever. They don't take up as much space. So all right, let's walk up these ramps here into the box truck. Start over here. I built this little thing here on the floor. These are my gas cans. I got the 2-gallon and the 5-gallon. I love the metal Eagle gas cans. I used to have those plastic gas cans. I just wasn't a fan. I used to run an open trailer, and the sun would beat down on them things all day, and they'd swell up like crazy. And then when you go to open them, they'd shoot gas out, and it just was a mess. So I got rid of them. A buddy of mine told me about these metal cans. They were actually even a little bit more expensive than the plastic cans, but they stay in place. They don't swell up. Um, and I just think it's easier and quicker just to fill them up with gas and also to put gas in your equipment. So I like the Eagle metal cans. You can find them online. I think I purchased the 5 gallons at Lowe's and the 2 gallons at my local Ace hardware store had the 2-gallon ones. So, and yeah, they're great. I keep them here off to the right. That way I can quickly grab them, fill up my equipment, or I can just grab them and fill them up at the gas pump. Coming up the wall, I have the Green Touch trimmer line holder and cutter. It works out great. I just put it on over the winter, and so I get to use that and see how it does cutting the line and holding the spool on there. So I keep it close there so I can just reach around and grab it if I need to. And then I have my Green Touch racks. Just purchased these over the winter and got them installed. So I'm excited to see how they do. I used to have a cheaper, I can't remember the name, but a cheaper rack on my open trailer. And the shafts would shake and start rubbing off down to the cable in the tube there. So I didn't like that. I saw the Green Touch racks, did my research, and I like them. I like the design, so I got them. And then I have my this is my original. I bought this 6 years ago, the Steel KM90R. I bought the combi system. I like that idea. That way you have one motor and put different attachments on. And then when that, probably after 5 years using it hard, it starting to give me some issues, and then I got it tuned up, and while it was getting tuned up, I had to keep running. So then I bought a KM131R steel. That's been great. And then I guess eventually I went to a third one and got a KM131R again because I like that power. And then I just keep one motor on my edger attachment, one motor for my weed whacker attachment, and then one motor for my hedge trimmer attachment. And then if I ever have any issues with them, I can take the attachment off and put it on one of my other ones and get the other one fixed up. So back here I got the tool rack. I have a couple of these tools out. I was doing some work over the weekend, but keep like the rake, the shovel, a couple things like that. Steel trimmer, loppers. And then I built these shelves. Keep an extra tire up there in the back, measuring wheel, some little odds and ends, tool bag, toolbox. And in here I keep wasp and hornet spray, some hedge trimmer spray, and then my oil mixture. So over here I keep a tire repair kit, extra belt. It's an extra Z3 belt. And over here I have the Green Touch V3 blower rack. Holds my steel BR700X. And then up here I have another Green Touch blower rack. Holds my steel BR700. So I carry two in case one's down. I got backup. And up here I just keep a little rack with safety glasses. I have some gloves and stuff to put in there. 5-gallon water cooler. Comes in handy in the summertime. And down here, fire extinguisher just in case. Towards the back here, I can just grab it and go. And also with safety, I got 3 safety cones. Got them from also Green Touch. Like the color, sticks out. And I always put that down the back of my ramp. That way cars and stuff driving by, nobody mistakes it and goes up the ramp. So it's always good to be cautious and safety, because I had a lady one time almost hit me. I was walking right alongside my trailer and stuff, and I don't know what she was doing, but she almost took me out. So I always carry 3 safety cones, put 1 in the back, 1 in the middle, and 1 towards the front of my truck. That way it kind of makes like a little barrier, and I can say if anything happens, I did have it marked off for safety, and also to let people know, hey, I'm here. So, but yeah, this is the inside the box truck. Just painted the floor last week with some anti-slip grip paint. So see how that goes. But anyway, that's my 2022 lawn mowing setup. Wish everybody a great year, and go out and hustle and bust your butt. There's enough work out there for everybody, so like and subscribe, follow me for more videos. I appreciate you watching, and I'll see you later. Thanks.